this video, I'll give you a brief overview of how to work with the IEC 61850 SSD import wizard in the Xenon Engineering Studio. Xenon offers a wide array of pre-configured wizards so that you can focus on proactive engineering without having to perform recurring tasks. Xenon wizards support you during engineering by creating or editing objects automatically. All wizards can be customized. The IEC 61850 SSD import wizard makes it possible to read project configurations from an SSD file and to transfer these to a Xenon screen, including ALC-compliant project configuration. The size of the symbols can be configured. The use of your own symbols is also supported. The variables must still be assigned manually for complete project configuration. It is recommended that you use the IEC 61850 SSD import wizard with a licensed Xenon Energy Edition. To open the SSD import wizard in the Xenon Engineering Studio, navigate to the Tools tab and select Start Engineering Studio Wizards. In the dialog, expand Energy and select our wizard. A dialog will come up with different options for configuration. I have already prepared an SSD file with project configurations that will now import from the desktop. Here, the shape of our symbols is defined. Currently, we're using the local symbol library, but it is also possible to import symbol libraries. In this section, Scale and Layout, we can define the X and Y coordinates in pixels. The global scaling factor is the basic size of a symbol for automatic configuration in a Xenon screen. By default, it is set to 40. In this section, we select the screen for our symbols. For this example, we select the Start screen. Finally, here at the bottom, we can select the name position. We'll leave it the way it is and click Import. As you can see, the wizard is now creating the single line diagram automatically. We can now rearrange this newly created single line diagram as defined by the SSD file. We can, for example, put the descriptions somewhere else. We are now ready to start the service engine. As you can see in the service engine, we have created a fully functional single-line diagram. Of course, the mapping of the variables for the switchgear is missing and must still be assigned manually for complete project configuration. More information on this topic can be found in the Xenon Help under Manual, Wizards, Topics, Energy, IEC 61850 SSD Import. Thanks for watching.